Hello, I hope everyone is safe and well. My name is Anastasia and I'm a graduate assistant for the Strategic Communication and Leadership program, and I would love to tell you more about the program. The Strategic Communication and Leadership program is a 33 credit hour master's program which can be completed in a little less than 2 years. The way the program is structured is each class will kind of fill the prerequisite for the next, so it makes registering very easy and seamless, and a lot of our current students love having a cohort to move along with. The program offers a variety of classes, and some of those include advanced leadership, interviewing and information gathering, emerging topics in advertising, advanced research methods, and many more. We also offer an optional health communication certificate, which you can pursue along with your master's degree. This certificate will be included in the 33 credit hours required in the master's program, so there's no additional classes or credits you would have to take. There will be certain classes you will have to take in order to fulfill the requirement to get that health communication certificate, and some of those include advanced leadership, health communication, crisis management, and fundraising, to name a few. There are also emphasis areas within the program that focus on specific aspects of communication and leadership. There are 2 emphasis areas, and one of those is executive leadership. This will benefit students interested in careers like becoming a professor, a recruiter, or part of an alumni outreach program. The other emphasis area that we have is public relations and advertising. This emphasis area includes advanced research methods and classes specific to public relations and advertising, which will help those of you interested in managing content media and social media, becoming marketing specialists, or a public affairs officer, and really much more. There are a few admission requirements for the program, but there is an exclusive opportunity for UWF students or recent graduates of UWF, which I'll mention shortly. The regular admission, students must have a GPA of 3.0 or higher, have completed the online application, have the contact information ready for 2 references, and have your resume ready. We no longer require any submission of standardized test scores, so there's no need to worry about taking the GRE or GMAT. Express admission is what's exclusive to all of you current UWF students or those of you who have recently graduated, and if you qualify for that, there will be no need to fill out an application. So that means no application fee, no reference letters, no resume, and no essay answers that are included in the online application. Express admission requires UWF students to have a GPA of 3.25 or higher and have not applied to this program in the past or any other master's program in UWF. Unfortunately, when that happens, it kind of just throws a wrench in the whole express admission process. If you think you're eligible for express admission, please let us know as soon as possible, because there are limited spots available for express admission, and I'll include where to contact at the end of this video. Many students ask what options they have to help covering the cost of graduate school. Unfortunately, there's not as many scholarships for graduate students as there are for undergraduate students. There are still many ways to cover the costs. Sometimes there are graduate grants available to students, and one of the best ways for the school to see if you're eligible is filling out the FAFSA every school year. The UWF Graduate School also keeps a list of funding opportunities, and if you apply through the UWF Scholarship Portal, that's another way to see scholarships that you may qualify for. But one of the most appealing ways to pay for school is through graduate assistantships. Assistantships are awarded on a semester basis and are usually available during spring and fall semesters. These assistantships can cover either 50% of your tuition or 100% of tuition, excluding student fees. These assistantships are project-based, so for example, you may work the first half of the semester with one supervisor on a project and then finish out the second half of the semester on another project with another supervisor. You usually work around 10 hours a week for $10.25 the hour, and before receiving your project assignments, you will be asked what your interests are, so the project that you will be working on will be something you enjoy and something that possibly can benefit you after graduation. There are a few requirements in order to qualify for an assistantship, and one of those is not having a full-time job. Often enough, it becomes way too much for students to have a full-time job, the assistantship, and the grad school. You must also be a full-time student, which is a total of 6 semester hours. And for those of you interested in that nice 100% tuition waiver, you must have filled out the requirements I just mentioned and also have a GPA of 3.75 or higher. There is no application needed for the assistantship, so if you are interested, again, I'll include who to contact. Another question we often receive is what career paths you can follow after receiving this degree. Many of our alumni have moved on to bigger and better things, and some of those things are marketing and communication coordinators, social media managers, athletic directors, healthcare analysts, PhD candidates, professors, and really so much more. We actually have a full list of what our graduates are doing now, so if you'd like to see that list, let us know. We are still accepting applications, so if you are interested, feel free to reach out to us or apply online. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the department, and if you have any questions on student perspective, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll include my email. Thank you all for your time, and I wish you all a wonderful rest of your semester. Bye!